Bitcoin. What's the point of it? Bitcoin is a digital currency. It's a type of money that only exists online. I know what you're wondering. But crypto nerd, who needs Bitcoin if you have paper money? You see, paper dollars are inflationary. They suffer from inflation. Inflation means things get expensive, so if you hold paper dollars, everything keeps getting more expensive. That's why people can't afford houses anymore. That's why groceries are so expensive now. It's why one coffee somehow costs $7. Here's the thing. Bitcoin is the opposite of that. Bitcoin is deflationary. Instead of inflation, Bitcoin has deflation. Deflation means things get cheaper over time. For example, take a look at this highly advanced and sophisticated diagram. The average home price in 2016 was $288,000. It was $329,000 by 2020 and $435,000 by 2024. But the price of houses in Bitcoins has been going down. In 2016, you needed 664 Bitcoins to buy a house. By 2024, you only needed 6.6. While houses are getting more expensive in dollars, they're getting cheaper in Bitcoins. Again, this is because Bitcoin is deflationary. Bitcoin is projected to reach $1 million per coin in 2032. By 2036, you'll be able to retire with 2.3 Bitcoins. Deflation. Everything gets cheaper instead of more expensive. In other words, you're getting richer just by having Bitcoin. Let me ask you this. What do you want? Do you want your groceries getting more expensive every day or less expensive every day? If you said less, congratulations, you like Bitcoin. So here's what I do. I keep most of my wealth in Bitcoin, but when I need money, I sell my Bitcoin for paper dollars and spend what I need. So what is the purpose of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is an alternative to inflationary money. It solves the problem of things getting more expensive. Some of you are wondering, how is all this possible? How does it work? Watch this video.